I would like to thank you all this watch this video. I'm called Elia and I'm here to present my project according to the problem occur in the some part of the world, like a flood desert. It is the most and one affect the many people and lost their life. So as a automata engineer, I selected to use my project in order to fight against that problem. My project name is Modern Flood Detection System. As we know, flood is a natural disaster where the condition of the land is temporary. It is usually dry and then filled with water. These natural disasters often occur in some part of the world. During the season, it can fall too much or too often, causing damage to the population and disrupt social and economic activities. So there are a few things that can cause floodings: rain, overflowing water, dam breaks, melting ice caps, and so on. So flash floods can occur when heavy rainfall falls over short periods of time or over periods of time, rain for several days or weeks. Water usually flows from high place to low place. The most floods occur due to the heavy rainfall. So in this system, we will work on the system that are the following analysis that can be proven and that according to equipment. Arduino board at Mega 328 that gives the supply according to electronic device platform. So we will use sensor that are used to detect the content of water into the soil, and also we need to use the buzzer will send a signal of sound according to the sensor is sensed. And also we need to use a LED that will be to give up light when the floods occur. So in this project, we need to use a different component. The first component is Arduino Uno. So this component is an open source electronic device platform. So this component we have 14 digital input outputs and we have 6 analog input pins. So this component that can help to this component that can help to give a signal to the buzzer when the floods occur according to the sensor is sensed. So the second component, we need to use a sensor. This sensor is soil moisture sensor. This sensor that can help to measure the content of water or in the soil, and this sensor have 2 probes, and take this sensor must be inserted into the soil. So and the third component we need to use this component is a breadboard. So breadboard is a simple designed current circuit without soldering. So this component that can help to connect together those components we need to use in the system without use soldering. So the next component we need to use a battery. This battery, specific battery is 9 volt. This battery. So in our system we need to use this battery in order to supply power circuit or to supply our Arduino. I'll take a positive from battery to connect to the VIN of Arduino and take ground of Arduino to connect to the negative of this battery. So the next component, we need to use a buzzer. Buzzer it will help to give up sound when the fault is occurred in our area according to the moisture we will be sensed. We need to use a LED that will give up the light when the flooding is occurred in that area, in order to give a signal for some people who live here. And the next component, you need to use a jump wire or connecting wire. So connecting wire is allow travel electrical current from one point to another without resistivity. Yeah, so now I'm going to assemble together those components and then make a circuit that detect flooding system. Yeah. After making a circuit of modern flooding detection system, now we are going to upload code to the Arduino board. To compare this code, now I'm going to connect our Arduino board to my computer. We are going to connect our Arduino to my computer. and then after upload the code to the Arduino. And I'm going to select port of our Arduino, and then after I'm going to upload this code to the Arduino board. So after making this circuit of modern flooding detection system, we realized that system will help us to notify people live in this area when there is a problem flooding. So this buzzer and that LED will help us to provide information according to that sensor has sensed. So when it rains a lot, there may be a problem of flooding, so that the people who live this area will know before time the flooding disaster happen at night without knowing. A buzzer will give up sound and that LED will give up light. So the people flee to another place, and this system will help us to protect people's lives from possible effect of flooding. So as we know, here is a location that people who lives and this component is a sensor that detects the level of water. When it rains a lot there in that location, already has sensed suppose rain it fall in this location, already buzzer give sound according to that sensor has sensed, and light give up light. In order some people who live this location and flee to the another place. When in dry season, that this sensor that cannot be detected, so we will use this sensor when the flooding fault is occur. Only that sensor has sensed. So that this buzzer will give a sound, and that LED give light according to that sensor has sensed. Yeah, thank you.